Hey, get that out of here. Okay, so a lot of you guys have made some comments, you know, that maybe we don't exactly follow up on some of our videos when I say we're gonna do part 2.
Yeah.
Shut up, Steven. You guys are actually correct. So, a lot of you guys probably remember this. This is the Walmart upgrade boat video we did in the past.
Damn, son.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna upgrade these again, but we're gonna make them fly. Right, Sam?
Better.
Well, what do you do with yours?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with yours? Can you tell me a little about that?
I'm gonna make it fly better than yours.
Oh, well, screw you. Okay, so I'm gonna do mine. I'm gonna build a Sikorsky S-38-esque type airplane thing. It's like an old plane from a long time ago. Here's a picture. And begin the montage. Steven, come check this out. Hey, it's a plane, not lame. Look at that. What do you think?
Nothing but blue skies from here on out.
Oh, is it the name of the soda? I'm not paid by them. Alright, we should go find Sam and let's go test this in the pool. It's a little bit too rainy right now, and a little too windy. So, hey Sam, check it out. Look at my plane. Boat plane. Where's yours?
That's, yeah.
You ready for this? It is actually a little bit too windy, and this pool is obviously too small, so we're just gonna do some quick testing and get some cool B-roll shots, and then we're gonna go to the beach. Faster.
Come go swimming, Steven.
Okay, the plan here is to dodge the wind because the wind's coming from behind your back. And that's the wrong way to necessarily take off. Right, go out there, backseat around, turn around, then take off and go that way.
It's a boat plane! Oh, you're on a roll.
I know I am.
Oh God!
Okay, that flies. Sam, I don't think this is what I intended when I said fly your RC boat.
It's a flying boat.
And that is
Oh,
a
no.
kite.
It's flying.
working. It's working.
Oh, it's flying so
Look
good.
at it go. That's kind of cheating, but I guess I'll give it to you because it does work. What do you think, Steven?
Cheating.
Go, boat, go.
You should get the Mavic.
What happened?
Can you see my boat in there?
Sam, here to explain what's going on?
Yeah, my boat and my session are in that palm tree.
And also my cool kite is now stuck in the tree. Thanks.
A little more to the right this time.
There, you got it. I got it. Hey, you got your kite.
Yeah, I got everything back. You know, this actually gives me an idea for our project, but I think we're going to go back to the beach and fly the plane a little bit more and maybe do something more with this.
That was surprisingly a lot of lift for a kite.
I know. Transition time. Okay, and we're back. I think the plane has seen better days. I did cram it into that tight box over there. I mean, that's pretty small luggage. But hey Sam, where's your plane?
I put it back together too.
Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, I guess we should probably talk about how these things actually worked and our overall experiences with that. But before we do that, I'd like to thank this video's sponsor. Do you miss the old Discovery Science Learning History channel that used to have tons of high quality programming, but now only I produce shows such as Russian Pickers, Pawn War, Storage, Repo Custom Dynasty? Well, look no further. The Great Courses Plus is an online learning platform with top-notch lectures and courses. Over 10,000 video courses on everything science, math, history, even how to cook, play chess, or become a better photographer, dog training, piano tuning, and more. For me, these projects come really easy to me because I understand the dynamics of flight. If you're interested in learning about the dynamics of flight, be sure to check out the Science of Flight on the Great Courses Plus. They have tons of content on airplanes, helicopters, drones, and even more. The quality of production and the in-depth presentation is definitely top tier. It's some of the best I've seen anywhere on the internet. That's why I'm happy to say the Great Courses Plus is letting me give you guys a free trial to check out the Science of Flight and more. To support my channel and get access to over 10,000 different courses and lectures, check out the link below. It's thegreatcoursesplus.com/Peter Sripol. And now, let's get into the science of how this plane flew, and probably also yours, which you cheated for.
It flew.
Okay, so basically what I got going on here in my airplane is it's basically a 3-channel type airplane. It uses differential throttle, which is basically controlling RPMs to steer. I actually got really lazy while we were on vacation. And also I wasn't entirely sure if I wanted to run this configuration because I was planning to maybe do it over in a different way. But fortunately enough, this worked, so I would steer via the differential. And also I had pitch control with the elevator. And just to control altitude, I would just, increase RPMs and just pitch up just a little bit and it would climb up just fine. And that's almost it. I did almost crash it a few times because I got mixed up on the sticks because this is on my rudder channel for all of you that fly airplanes, you steer with the rudder. So I was trying to move the ailerons because it was banking too much. I was like, oh, nothing's happening. Move the rudder pedal around a little bit and it surprisingly worked okay. The steering on the water was all right. The one problem I did notice with my boat configuration is that when you design a seaplanes have things called steps on the bottom of the hull. That's basically when you've ever looked at a boat when it's in the water, it's sitting down low. Once the boat increases speed, it takes up off the water and all the water trails off the back of it. Like very little of the boat's actually in water when a boat is specifically on plane. So when this got on plane, it was kind of like riding here. But the problem is it needs to rotate here. So when you pull back, you actually force the back half of the boat into the water. And I just simply used a lot, the rest of them kind of cheated and just, flew off the water. But hey, it still took off the water. And Sam, how did your plane work?
Mine was pretty awesome. Excuse me, boys. So I just glued some wings to it. I put these rudder posts.
Give me the camera.
You did, you reminded me that if it's, being dragged too far back, there won't be any wind over the rudder.
Yeah.
So I did have to add these vertical stabilizers on the bottom just so I could get some airflow for more stability while it's kind of being dragged for its life.
Wasn't it actually RC?
So, I mean,
No.
the Mavic was.
You're a liar. You're a filthy liar.
Hey, you said make it fly, not make it RC.
Did I state that?
Yeah, you said let's make these boats fly.
Oh, also, huge thanks to Luminaire for hooking us up with some of the equipment in this video. They hooked us up with the motors and the speed controllers to make this plane possible, and honestly, they work actually really good. These things produce mega thrust, and they look cool. So, I think that's officially a wrap. I think we're done with this project. If you guys want to see us do more with flying boats or other Walmart projects, definitely let us know in the comments. I'm going to try to get back to more of these part 2 videos I keep saying we're going to do. And I think that's literally it.